Hello and welcome to today's video. This is the washing machine and my wife is complaining because it's making a lot of noise, and it's because the bearing went out in it. As you can see, our old dryer, and we used to have a washing machine that was of this style, a Roper, and it died. It lasted about 10 years. This one has lasted about 2 years, and of course out of warranty. And let me just show you. This is a model number, what is it, GTWN 2800D1WW, made by GE. And let me give her a spin here and you can hear. The bearing sounds pretty rough. So I don't know if it's the tub bearing, the transmission bearing, or a motor bearing that's gone bad, but it sounds horrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it on here on spin. So that's just the pump. There's no water to pump out, but so that's it, just doing its balance spin. It hasn't even spun up yet. It already sounds like a freight train. But in a second here, it's gonna kick into high gear. Well, there it goes. And it's incredibly loud. It sounds like a freight train is going off in the house. So there's one of the bearings has gone out in it, and yeah, we're gonna have to fix it. So as much as I'd like to be working on other stuff, the wife really wants this fixed. So this weekend I will be taking apart the washing machine and hopefully tracking down which bearing has gone out in it and finding a replacement for it. And yeah, anyways, that's what's going on. Thanks for watching. Bye.